What's up, guys? How you doing? Jay coming at you. I just checked out the Rog phone 2. Woo! This phone is crazy. It's a gaming phone, but it's not like any gaming phone. It's the real gaming phone, to be honest with you. And it has a high price tag, man. If you look at the Asus Rog 1 phone number 1, which is released I think 2 years ago, last year, yeah, sorry. It has a price of $900, and the spec is crazy. I mean, it has I think it had like 90 refresh rates as I remember. I'm not sure though. No, it's not a 90 refresh rate, but it's one of the craziest waveforms. But now we have this Asus Rog phone 2 with 120 Hz refresh rate on the screen, which is unbelievable. It's never been done before on an AMOLED screen. The first time. And it has a headphone jack. This is crazy. And it has a dual speaker system, probably with Dolby. I'm not sure. We're gonna check it out later. I mean, this phone, it has also the Snapdragon 855 Plus. This processor, this is the best. This is the newest processor from Samsung. It's like the turbocharged processor version of the 855. So what you need to do with this, if I give you like supercharged in your car, what you're gonna do? You're gonna ensure that the car will not heat. You're gonna ensure you provide better thermals, and because the battery or the the battery of the Rog phone 2 is 6,000 milliamp battery. Wow. And it's as heavy as 240 grams. This is as heavy. It's the heaviest phone you can carry. 6.6 inch OLED screen. I mean, this phone is it's nuts, man. What? So heavy. 6,000 milliamp battery, and it has 30 watt charging speed, which is really great. It's like the OnePlus turbocharge or fast charge. I don't know, man. I don't know. This does it actually lift up to high? Will 6,000 milliamp battery able to keep up with games? I'm talking about games, because you're gonna buy this phone for the games, like PUBG, played at 60 frames all the time, or 100 frames refresh rate. Like, will it be able to constantly keep up with this? I think the battery is big, but I believe the processing that going on inside this phone is gonna bottleneck. It's gonna kill the battery fast. That's what I believe. Doesn't matter how big your battery, it's about how efficient you can use the applications, the gaming. It's not about the battery, guys. The battery, yeah, I know phones with very low battery, but with great efficient processor. So this processor is not efficient. That's a turbocharge. So it's like, it's equivalent to the 5,000 milliamp battery Snapdragon 845, like, if you put it that way, or 4,500 milliamp battery Snapdragon 845, almost as equivalent to this 855 Plus with 6,000 milliamp battery. So maybe the same amount and burning of the battery would be the same. I'm just speculating, you know. I'm just thinking about this. Yeah, what do you guys think about this Rog phone 2? I think it's crazy, right? Yeah, I can't wait to get it. I think it's September is the release date. We'll see about that. See you guys later.